You don't do. Jesus Christ, don't do. Wait, bro, show this guy the wine here. Be waiting. No raise your hand on top woman here. It's in a relationship and still waiting. Bro, show this guy the wine. No, come to do this thing here now. No, come to do this thing here. Hi, ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Lenzi, aka I get about the market man, and with me today I have
Chinyere.
I have Chinyere. So Chinyere reached out to me and said she said a couple of things though, which I would like us to hear from the horse's mouth direct. But please, before we go to her, I just want us to know that this video is not a prank video. This video is not a comedy video. This video is not a loyalty test. For those of us that will now come under the comment section to be commenting some things that I don't know, I just pray that we will not be in situations where if we need help tomorrow, people will think that we are joking. You understand, Abi? So Chinyere, please, as you can see, it's even raining. So we just have to do what we have to do sharp and execute this. Please, can you just explain to them what you told me?
Yeah, my boyfriend. 4 years, I noticed he's been acting some ways, and not that he's cheating on me, and not only that he's paying me, but he's doing it around my friends, and I'm not happy about it. It's been 4 years. I love him so much. I don't want to break up. So I just want to know if, man, I'm not happy. Not happy. Serious, not happy.
The thing is, my fellow young men out there, if we date a woman for too long and we know that we cannot continue that relationship, you can just call it a quit instead of going around to be cheating and even cheat with her friends and all those things. It's an insult to her. You understand? It's a slap. It's a slap to the face of you understand? So please, we have already called the boyfriend. We tried to drag him out and he agreed to come meet us at a location where we will be sent to him. So just stay with us and let's see how we are going to try and resolve this whole thing when the boy comes here. And just stay with us. Hi guys, win iPhone 14 or Xbox Series X on 1xBet for betting on FIFA sports events with new offer. Become a legend. Press the take back button on the offer page. Use my promo code LENZI. Trust me, you will earn points for your eligible bet. The larger the stake, the larger the amount you win. Just use my promo code, collect your tickets and your win prizes. My promo code LENZI is what will keep you eligible for these swift things I've said above. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, welcome back. Okay, we have the boyfriend here now. So, bros, good afternoon. Yeah.
My name is Gravity.
Yes. Yeah. Good afternoon, Mr. Gravity. So, your girlfriend here told me some certain things. I don't know. You know her, right?
Yeah, she's my girl.
Your girl? Yeah. And you guys have been dating for like 4 years.
Yes, 4 years probably.
4 years, and you two are not yet married.
Not yet, but
do you have plans of?
Kind of.
You kind of.
Yeah. But actually a surprise.
This bro, I don't even understand your character. You say you kind of want to. You are not sure if you want to settle down with her or not.
No, I'm just studying her character and her attitude.
For 4 years? Yeah.
Bro.
So that's by the way now. So she get what she tell me. You get what she tell me here earlier on. She told me that you guys have been dating for 4 years. That she loves you so much, and equally say you love her, but say recently that you have been flirting around with different girls. And say no be only that one self be waiting they pay her. Say you they do all those things. Come reach her friends. I lie, I be now waiting.
That's it. No lie.
Which kind talk with that one?
Do you think I didn't see everything? I see everything.
Wait, is this what you have been carrying around about me? Like, oh
Please,
God.
just say something else because I caught you. So I don't want to even tell you. That's why.
Wait, bros, this is what you called me here for.
Yes, bros. I called you here because I want us to just settle this thing amicably. Understand,
years.
Bro?
Who have been feeding you with all this rubbish?
Wait, my bro. Wait. Just calm down. Just calm down. Not waiting with the fight here. You don't understand. Not waiting we can't fight here. Relax. I know you are angry, but relax. I know you are angry.
You think 4 years is 4 days?
I know you are angry, but relax.
This is what you have been spreading about me.
But bro, wait, bro.
Boss, if I change her for this game, no hold me.
See, bro, why you go change her for him now? You no go change her for him now. The thing, wait. The thing where they there be say, if you and person they wait. Please, I don't want us to fight here. We're not here.
They carry rumor about me.
Wait, see, bro, not be fight. You can't fight here now.
Not be fight now, but I go beat him here.
Why you go beat him? What you want make you beat him? You no go fit try him now. Sure you go fit beat him. I go fit beat him. See, bro, man, tell you something. If you and person don't date for like Yes, and maybe you're not comfortable with the relationship again.
Cheat.
But bro, wait.
I
Wait, bro, shey this guy dey whine here, be waiting. Bro, wetin they do like this? Why they raise your hand on top woman now? Bro, no raise your hand on top woman here. You hear me? No raise your hand on top woman here.
So which one people want me say they cheat?
But wait, you dey cheat abi you know they cheat. If you and person don't date for like 4 years and you don't want to date the relationship again, you go tell am say you don't want it.
If you say she find me say they cheat.
Don't do.
I they cheat.
Uh-huh.
What in there they make she walk up to me tell me say boss or you dey
Shey,
you gonna carry
wetin be that? I don't understand. Wait, say you want beat am now be waiting. Eh?
Can you imagine?
Gravity.
See the person I'm dating for 4 years.
Wait, it's okay. Come close. Come wait. It's okay. He's not going to touch. Don't worry, I'm here. He's not going to touch you. He's not going to touch you. 4 years in a relationship and see what you. Bro, see this guy, the wine. No, come to do this thing here now. No, come to do this thing here. See this guy, yo. Eh? At the time, make I even settle something between them. And see, bro, see. You don't go like what's I go do for you. What's in this guy? What's they try to do like this? Now, they try to settle something. Baba, come here first. I know say
I know be age mate. Don't drag me like that.
Age mate, bro. I know say.
You know what? It's over.
You say waiting.
It's over. It's over.
Bro.
4 years.
Bro.
You
No,
are
bro.
bro.
No be the reason why I call you here. No be the reason why I call you here. No can they do all these ones here. If you do all these ones here, you cheat on her, be you don't cheat on her. Now question where she they ask you. It's okay. Stop running your mouth. It's okay. I know. It's
You
okay.
start meeting me.
It's okay. I'm trying to settle.
You start meeting me and
I'm
you're
trying
telling
to
me.
settle.
I'm more than that. Don't near my house again.
Why?
If you near my house,
Why?
if you
Why?
Bro, she waiting the word. She waiting the word this guy. Bro, no can they do this thing. I go change that for you. Gravity. I go change that for you.
me cheat.
Bro, I go change that for you.
Boss, phone this girl.
Baba, you cheat abi you no cheat? A question. She go come the cap. She go come the cap
4
challenge.
years. Who's managing
It's
you?
okay.
Leave me this
You are
guy
running your
and
mouth.
getting
It's okay.
their-
It's okay. It's okay. You are running your mouth too much. You are running your mouth now. It's
After 4
okay.
years.
You are running your mouth now.
What you bring together?
You are running your mouth now. You are running your mouth now. I don't like it. I don't like it. This is not why we are. You don't do. Jesus Christ, don't do. I beg, you don't do. See, don't do. See, You know what, You know what, See, hold. See, let's get out of here. Let's get out of here. Don't worry.
It's love I blame.
See, you people are not ready to settle. See, you people are not ready.
I'm not done with you
Let's
yet.
get out of here. You people are not ready to
I'm not
settle.
done with you.
You people are not ready to settle.
Don't near my house again.
You people are not ready to settle.